Okay. Hey guys, this is Brian from Bullseye Promotions, making a quick video to show those of you using the Wysija newsletter plugin for WordPress how you can create a page in WordPress and just link to it from a custom tab on your Facebook fan page. Right now I don't think that the guys at Wysija have a Facebook app, so it's kind of a video to show you how you can do it a simple way. I've created my page already in WordPress, and I'm going to scroll down this page here and show you. It's already made up with my opt-in form and everything, a short code from Hybrid Connect, my footers and everything, which aren't going to show up in the tab, but I'll show you that here in a bit. So I'm going to go to Hybrid Connect real quick, which is a plugin that you can use in conjunction with the Wysija newsletter plugin to create opt-in forms, really nice opt-in forms. So what I've done here, I've created a connector and I called it eCourse. Went over here and edited the shortcode design, and when I came back here to the Wysija setup, I got that all set up and everything, and it gave me this shortcode right here, and then I used that shortcode in my page. Now I'm going to go back and show you by editing the page and show you exactly where I put that shortcode to have it show up. That's in the back end after I've already created the page. And get it to load up here if I can, please, doctor. There we go. Thank you. I put my shortcode for Hybrid Connect right there. You can use one of the Wysija shortcodes on here, but they don't really have a lot of style to them unless you want to go in and style them up a bit for yourself. Which, you know, no offense to Wysija guys, but I just used Hybrid Connect shortcode so to show up on my page as I just showed you. And the template that I used was a thin sales style template. Of course, I'm using the optimized press theme. You may not be. Whatever template you use, try to use a thin style. If not, any should work as long as it does not show the header. If you got one that does show the header, that's fine. Just make sure it doesn't show, but preferably a template without a header. Excuse me. Then down here in my custom CSS, there is CSS that you need to use to make it show up right in Facebook. I'll paste or copy and paste this somewhere where you can get it later. If you don't have a custom CSS options, you can come down to here to the custom fields in your edit and put in the name here, custom CSS, and for the value you can just copy and paste this CSS right on in there and hit update, and it will work the same way. So let's go. Let's say you want the, obviously this is about showing up in Facebook, so you already made your page in WordPress. That's fine. If people visit your site, they'll see it, but you want them to see it, hit a tab on your fan page to see it. And you notice here on my left hand side, I don't have any plugins for Facebook whatsoever. Don't need them. Alright, so without fooling around with that too much, I'll take you straight to Facebook, to the fan page. And as you'll notice on my fan page, I've already got a tab set up here for my marketing e-course, which is my page on WordPress. And this is a WooBox custom HTML tab. If I click on it, it's going to take me to, it's going to open the tab, but it's actually going to take me to my WordPress page. There we go. Give it a second there to pop up. And obviously, but it's going straight to, it's linking straight to your page on WordPress. So, and you notice there's no scroll bars. It looks nice and everything, the width, and it's not too long here because I cut it off in the settings, and it shows everything. Shows your whole page as is on WordPress. And how you're going to set this up in your WooBox tab. Excuse me.
You go into your settings. And once you go into your settings for your WooBox tab,
you're going to have some really nice, simple settings. That's why I use WooBox. You can use any custom HTML tab, but I like theirs because the settings are simple. Don't mess with anything up here in your share settings or anything. On your page source, make sure URL is checked. None of these other ones, you don't need them. Use URL, type in the page link, or type in the URL to the page you just created in WordPress right here. This setting is for the height of the Facebook tab. If you want your footers to show or whatever, adjust that accordingly. The hide scroll bars, make sure this one has a check mark in it. You don't want any scroll bars. You want it to look nice and neat. All these other settings, fan gate, friend gate, form gate, you don't need any of them. Shut them all off. Rename your tab down here in the WooBox tab name setting. After you're done with everything, save your settings. Go back and view your tab. When you view the tab, your WordPress page will show up in your Facebook tab. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You can go forward and backward through the video to see how everything is done. But once you set the hide scroll bars and the WooBox tab settings and link to your page and use the custom CSS in your WordPress page that you created, your tab is going to look nice and neat, just like this. It'll show up like any other tab. Okay, and like I said, this is specifically for the guys using the wysija newsletter plugin in WordPress, and they wanted to show up, or they want to use a custom tab in Facebook to get to it for fans and everything to get to it and sign up. They don't have to go to WordPress. They can do it straight through Facebook. So I will put that custom CSS up there. You can get in touch with the guys at wysija newsletter plugin fan page on Facebook as well, and ask them for the CSS that he got from Brian at Bullseye Promotions. You can visit our page here, our Facebook page, and hit the feedback form if you have any questions about setting up the tab or anything like that. So I hope you got a little bit of something out of this, and I'll make another short video to walk you through a couple other things. And if you have any problems, just get in touch with us and ask us. All right, take care now.